In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF file with Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Claude, upload your document, and craft a clear prompt that gets you a concise, useful summary without any extra fuss. Start by opening Claude in your browser or app and signing in. I recommend beginning with a fresh conversation so the model focuses only on the PDF you're about to share. A clean chat makes the results more consistent and easier to refine. If you have a specific goal, you can mention it briefly before uploading, like that you need a high-level overview for a meeting or a study guide for an exam. Next, add your PDF. Look for the plus icon near the message box. Click it to attach your file from your computer, or drag and drop the PDF right into the chat if that's more convenient. Wait for the upload confirmation so Claude can access the contents. For best results, make sure your PDF is text-based and clearly readable. If it's a scanned document, run it through an OCR tool first so the text can be recognized. Keep file names descriptive to help you stay organized, and avoid sharing documents that contain sensitive or confidential information. Now, type your prompt to summarize or explain the PDF. Be specific about what you want, how long it should be, and who the summary is for. For example, you might say, please summarize this PDF in 3 concise paragraphs, focusing on the main arguments and the evidence supporting them, using plain language for a non-technical audience. If you need structure, ask for it, such as an executive summary followed by key takeaways and action items. If page references matter, request that the model cite page numbers when highlighting important points. You can also guide the tone, like formal and neutral for a business report or friendly and simple for a quick study recap. After Claude replies, skim the summary and refine it with follow-up prompts in the same thread. If it's too long, ask for a version under a certain word count. If it's too general, ask for more detail on specific sections or figures. You can request highlights, definitions of key terms, or a short set of study notes based on the summary. Iteration is normal, and a couple of targeted revisions usually produce an excellent result. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, attach your PDF with the plus icon, and use a clear, tailored prompt to get the summary you need. Once you're satisfied, you can copy the output into your notes, a document, or a slide deck and move on with your day.